Watch this video till the end because I'm going to share a platform that will pay you $20 for each short videos that you find. Yes, you have heard it right. $20 for every video that you find. Turn your free time into cash by watching fun videos that you like whenever and wherever you want. You don't need any special skills to do this. You just watch videos and earn money. It is that easy. I will show you everything that you need to know step by step, and I'm also going to help you in how you can make money online without any limits. If you want to know about new ways to make money online, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you are in Africa, you can take advantage of this opportunity to earn money. Whether you are in Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, or any other African country, you can join in and start making money just like anyone else. Now let's get started. First, go to YouTube and look for short videos. These are videos that are very short, usually less than a minute, and you know about them by now. Find videos that have a lot of likes and views. These are the popular ones. Choose videos that you like and enjoy watching. If you are in Africa, I will recommend you to look for content related to African culture, music, or local traditions. There is a global audience out there waiting to watch these videos. So now, once you have found your niche or your content, click on the video and head to the share tab to get the URL. Copying these URLs is the crucial way on how you can make money with this method. So now, after you have found the URLs that you need, you are going to paste it on a platform. This platform is the way for you to make money online by pasting the URL that you found, and it will turn it into a money link. Using this money link, you are going to make money. So once you get your money links, you are going to share these videos or these links to Facebook groups about that niche or that content. If you have chosen African traditions, you are going to find Facebook groups that like African traditions, and you are going to just paste those links so that people can watch those videos. And since those videos already had views and likes on YouTube, there is a high chance that people will also like it and click on it once you share them in these Facebook groups. So now you must be wondering, how are you going to make money from this? Because these videos belong to other people. The answer is very easy. There is a platform that turns these links that you copied from YouTube into money links, and whenever someone clicks on it, you are going to get commission. Basically, if someone watches those videos, you are going to make money because the links that you copied from YouTube has been turned into money link, and now you will make money whenever someone watches it. You can even send it to your family and friends so that whenever they watch it, you will make money. And remember, these videos already had a lot of views. There is a high chance that people will still click on it, and no one will think of it as a spam because these are just videos on social media. And if you want to know the platform is called shrinkearn.com. You can maximize your earnings with this platform, and it is very simple. Just paste the URL of the videos on YouTube and it will generate a special money link for you. Share this money link in online communities, forums, and social media platforms where people are likely to click and watch the video. Every time someone clicks on your money link and watches the video, you earn a commission. It is an easy way to make money online, and the more people watch, the more you earn. On top of it, we are not going to put any effort in making videos, making sure they go viral. You are just taking videos that already exist and are popular and making money from this platform. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future updates. And remember, earning money online is not limited by geographical boundaries. Whether you are in Lagos, Nairobi, you can leverage this opportunity to boost your income. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with family and friends, and also watch my other videos. For example, this one, 3 ways on how you can make money online in Africa. And goodbye.